Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss about chapter 1. This is water in atmosphere. In the previous session from this chapter we discussed about the humidity. In humidity we discuss about its three type like specific humidity, absolute humidity and relative humidity. Today we will go ahead in this chapter with the topic evaporation. Evaporation is a process by which water transforms from liquid to gaseous state. We should understand that the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere is added or withdrawn due to evaporation and condensation respectively. Evaporation is responsible factor for converting water from liquid to gaseous state. And in this, the temperature at which water start evaporating is referred to as latent heat of evaporation. The main responsible factor for evaporation at any place is heat. Increase in temperature increases the water absorption and retention capacity of given parcel of air. Similarly, if the moisture content is low, air has potentiality of absorbing and retaining moisture. The movement of air replaces the saturated layer with the unsaturated layer. Therefore, heat is the responsible factor for evaporation. The greater movement of air, the greater is the evaporation. The factor which influence the rate of evaporation includes the temperature, surface area, humidity and wind speed. Evaporation is a type of vaporization that occurs on the surface of a liquid as it changes into the gaseous phase. In this process, temperature play a dominant role because the rate of evaporation increases with the increase in temperature, and this is the region over the low latitude near the equator and tropical region. Due to high amount of insolation, temperature is high and therefore the rate of evaporation is higher over the tropical regions. And this rate of evaporation or amount of evaporation decreases toward the polar areas where the insolation amount is less, temperature is less. Second factor is surface area. Evaporation increases with increases in the surface area. Over the oceans, the amount of surface area for evaporation is higher as compared to land area. That is why the rate of evaporation or amount of evaporation is higher over the sea and oceanic area as compared to continental parts. Next factor is humidity. Humidity is amount of vapors in air. But if air is having sufficient amount of humidity, so it has less potential to absorb more vapors. Therefore, evaporation decreases with increases an amount of humidity, and evaporation increases with decreases in amount of humidity. The air which contain lesser or less humid have more potential to absorb more vapor particle, right? And you can say in other word, Dry air have more potential to do evaporation as compared to wet air, as dry air has less moisture, less humidity, and wet air is having higher amount of humidity. Third factor is the wind speed. Evaporation increases with increase in wind speed and decreases with the lesser speed of wind. Thank you. This is all about the evaporation and its factor which determine the rate of evaporation.